In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off dark mode in Discord on PC. If you spend a lot of time in Discord, choosing the right theme can make a big difference for your eyes and your overall comfort. Dark mode is great for low-light environments or late-night chats, while light mode can be easier to read in bright rooms. The good news is that switching between them on a PC is quick, simple, and completely reversible, so you can change it anytime you like. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area, and right next to it, there's a small gear icon. That gear opens user settings. Go ahead and click it. If your Discord window is a bit small, you might need to maximize it to spot the gear more easily, but it will always be down in that lower left area. Once the settings panel opens, you'll find a list of sections on the left side. Scroll if needed and click on Appearance. This section controls how Discord looks, including the overall theme. It's located with other visual preferences, so you're in exactly the right place for changing between dark and light styles. Inside Appearance, look for the Themes area. Here you can select Light to disable dark mode. As soon as you click Light, Discord will immediately brighten its background and text colors. There's no Save button to press. It updates right away so you can see how it feels. If you prefer the darker look again, just select a dark option to switch right back to dark mode. That's all there is to it. Choose light to turn dark mode off, and pick a dark theme to turn it back on. A quick tip: because the change is instant, take a moment to glance around your servers, channels, and message lists after you switch. That quick check helps you decide which theme is most comfortable for your eyes, especially if you're moving between bright and dim environments. Also, this works the same whether you're using the Discord desktop app or running Discord in a web browser on your PC. And that's basically it. Open User Settings with the gear icon at the bottom left, head to Appearance, and in Themes, choose Light to disable dark mode or choose a dark option to enable it again. It's fast, it's easy, and you can change it whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Discord with the theme that fits you best.